automation business step by step without showing your face, without using your voice, and just by using free websites. I'm gonna share with you how you can find trending and interesting topics that people will be interested to watch. If you make YouTube video about one of those topics that I'm gonna share with you, you can get views, subscribers, and you can grow your YouTube channel fast using this method for free. Okay, so let's get started. So I already have a faceless YouTube channel. As you can see over here, it made in just one single day $768. Okay, as you can see, that's really a lot of money. That's why you should start your own faceless YouTube channel, and in today's video I will share with you my method step by step. Okay, so let's get started. So first you need to choose specific and interesting topics that people will be interested to watch. So how you can find trending and interesting topics? What you need to do is you just need to go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, so just go to your YouTube homepage, click on the search and ask question. So for example, you will ask how to train cat. Let's say for example, how to train cat. Here you go. How to train cat to use toilet. How to train cat to sit. How to train cat to poop outside. How to train cat for toilet. How to train cat to sleep in its bed. That's those topics. People are searching for those topics, as you can see over here. That's why YouTube show you those topics, because people are searching for those topics. So if you make a YouTube video about one of those topics, you can get views and get subscribers, and you can grow your YouTube channel fast. Okay, so for example, let's choose this one, how to train cat to sit. So what you need to do is you need to create a YouTube script about this topic. So what you will do is you just need to go to your ChatGPT account. So let me show you. So just go to ChatGPT. If you don't have an account on ChatGPT, go to Google, search for ChatGPT, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and you can use just the free version. I'm just using the free version. As you can see, it's easy and simple. You just need to click over here and ask ChatGPT, make an engaging YouTube script, okay, about how to train your cat to sit. Okay, it's easy and simple. Click over here. ChatGPT will start creating your YouTube script. Will give you the title, introduction, step number 1, step number 2, step number 3. If you are making this script about this topic, people already are searching for this script, this topic, and you can help those people by making content about this topic. Okay, so what you will do next, as you can see, this is your title: teach your cat to sit in 5 easy steps. Great title. Introduction, step number 1, step number 2. So let's copy. So what you will do next is you need to copy this YouTube script. Okay, so you have 2 choices. You can use your own voiceover to record this YouTube script, or you can go to Google and you can search for PlayHT and click on the first link over here. This is an AI voiceover generator website that you can use for free. After you finish, you just need to sign up by using your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do next is you just need to click over here on change voice and choose which voiceover you want to use for your YouTube videos. They have different voiceovers. They have American voiceovers, British voiceovers, and Australian voiceovers, Canadian voiceovers. So let's check, for example, this one.
No-nonsense investigator Tyler Elliott. A far cry from the rule.
As you can see, let's check this one.
Dude, I remember, yeah, it's crazy when you look at a 10-year-old, it looks like they're doing nothing, kind of like they're dumb and their necks.
So for example, I'm gonna choose this one, Chris. Click on your voiceover that you want to use for your YouTube videos. Click on confirm, okay? And here you go. Put your YouTube script here. Okay, this is my YouTube script. Okay, so let's go to ChatGPT. Let's copy step number 2 to make the video long. So for you should record your YouTube scripts are your YouTube scripts. Okay, so for example, like this, I'm gonna delete this part and don't want to make it too much long. Click over here on generate speech. Okay, and your YouTube script will be recorded just in few seconds. What you need to do next is you need to turn this voiceover into an engaging and professional YouTube video, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it easy and simple. Okay, so let's see, and here you go. Your voiceover will be ready. Okay, so let's check.
Before we start training, it's crucial to create a comfortable and distraction-free environment. Choose a quiet room where your cat feels safe and secure. Remove any potential distractions and make sure you have your cat's favorite treats handy.
Here you go. What you will do, as you can see, this voice is really amazing and in high quality. It's like almost like a human voiceover. Click over here on this icon over here, and your voiceover will be download to your laptop. What you need to do next is you need to go to Canva. Okay, so if you don't have an account on Canva, go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to click over here on video, and you will be directly in this page over here, as you can see. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to click over here on upload and click on upload file, and you need to upload your voice over, okay, about cat. So this is my voiceover over here. Click on open. Your voiceover will be over here. Click on your voiceover. Your voiceover will be under this page. Click over here on add page, okay, and add more page that will be matched with your voiceover like this. Then go to the first page, click between those two pages, click on add transition, and choose which transition you want to add between your videos to make them more engaging and professional. So for example, I will choose this one, make it to 0.3, click on apply between all page, then click over here on elements and click over here and search for cat. We need cat. Search for, click over here on videos, and here you go. You will find a lot of videos here about cat. Okay, so for example, I will use this one. So just click on the video that you want to use. Your video will be over here. Click on these 3 points, set the video as background, and you can, so as you can see, this video is too much long. So what you will do, click over here, click on the end of the video, keep clicking and swipe left, okay, like this. Just swipe left, or you can swipe right to make the video. You can control it from here, make it long or make it short. So you should make it short and add different video. Okay, I will add this one. So just keep using this method like this and use different videos to make your videos more engaging and professional. You need to use different videos. Okay, so let's scroll down. You will find a lot of videos here about cats. Okay, I'm gonna use this one for example, and I'm making videos that people are searching for, so of course you can get views, okay, because people are searching for those topics. Click on the next page, scroll down. I will add this one over here. Click on the set video as background, make it short. Click on the next page, scroll down and add different videos. I'm gonna add this one over here, set the video as background, make it short. Click on the next page, scroll down. Let's scroll down. You will find a lot of videos here. So for example, I will add this one here. As you can see, if you give it time, you can make engaging and professional YouTube videos just in a few minutes. It will take just a few minutes from your time to make videos like this, easy and simple. If you want to start your own faceless YouTube channel. Okay, we will add this one. Okay, like this. And here you go. So let's check this video, guys, and let me know in the comments what's your opinion, is if it's good or not. Let's check.
Before we start training, it's crucial to create a comfortable and distraction-free environment. Choose a quiet room where your cat feels safe and secure. Remove any potential distractions and make sure you have your cat's favorite treats handy. Cats are unique individuals with their own personality, so understanding their behavior is key. Observe your cat's body language and be patient.
And here you go. As you can see, guys, we just made a faceless YouTube video about how to train your cat to sit, okay, to sit down, easy and simple using free website. After you finish, click over here on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. You can go and start uploading videos that people are searching for. Make faceless YouTube videos. You don't need to invest any money, you just need to take action. You have everything in this video. I shared with you the method that I use for my faceless YouTube videos. Give it time. Of course, you can make, always you can improve and make good videos. As a beginner, you can start using just this method, okay, and you can keep learning about editing and make great content for people that are searching for topics for their problems. You will help those people, and those people will subscribe to your YouTube channel, and you will get a lot of views and start making money on YouTube. Okay, so see you in my next video.